Boston town, an old man died one day, dreaming of his home so far away. He must have known his words were all in vain. Oh, take me home when it's Capeland time again. I wanna go back when it's Capeland time again. I want to walk in the softly fallen rain and hear again the lonely seagulls cry. Oh, take me home once more before I die. I must have heard these words 1,000 times, not even caring what was on the old man's mind, as he told tales of his boyhood on the sand, when 'twas Capeland time back home in Newfoundland. And he vowed each year that he would soon return, but times were bad and money must be earned. Now the years have gone like the softly fallen rain. He can't go back when it's Capeland time again. I wanna go back when it's Capeland time again. I want to walk